struggling with how to lay things out in your photos? I get it, styling can be hard. I have 4 tips for you to get you started with this though. My name is Tracy and I'm a visual content expert. I help product-based business owners to take standout photos of their products so that they can increase their engagement and their sales. If you want to learn more about what I do, then check out the links in the description and make sure you subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. I often see these beautifully styled tabletop photos, but it's often hard to work out what the product is amongst all the other props that are in the photo as well. The purpose of a product shot is to show off your product. So don't surround it with too many other elements, other props. This just looks cluttered and it's hard for your viewer to actually see what your product is. Instead, focus on using just 1 or 2 props. Choose props which fit with your product, your brand, and the story that you're trying to share in this photo. Then place your 2 props behind your product or towards the back of the image. This will make it much easier for your product to stand out and be seen by the viewers of the photo or your customers. Busy backgrounds are not desirable at all in product photography and most other types of photography for that matter. The problem with a busy background is that it takes attention away from your product, which of course you don't want. So try to find a plain background. Things like sheets of white or coloured card work quite well. Also, plain walls or reasonably plain floors also work. But make sure that the background you do choose works well with your product and the story, again, that you're trying to tell in this photo. If you want to learn more about backgrounds, please make sure you check out my tips for backgrounds video. The link is in the description for that. Now there are 2 types of angles that we need to think about with product photography. That's the product angle and the camera angle. With the product, think about what angle your product looks best at. How are people going to be using it? How are they going to be looking at it when they're using your product? What part of the product is actually going to be seen? What side of the product looks the best? With camera angle, there are a few different options again, and they're all going to affect how your picture will look. If we shoot from 45 degrees above the product is going to appear quite small. If we shoot from 45 degrees below the product, then the product will appear bigger. If we shoot from a bird's eye view or flat lay orientation, then the product is going to appear flat. This is actually perfect for flat products. Straight on views, so the camera is straight 90-degree pointing straight towards the product. That actually gives the best representation of the product. There are many different composition rules out there and they're all designed to help you decide where to lay things out in your photo. The rule of thirds is the most popular of these rules and it's pretty simple to use. You just divide the image into 9 equal parts using a grid just like this. How do we use it though? It's quite simple. We just place the important things on the lines or the points where the lines cross. You can actually get this grid as an overlay on most cameras, including your iPhone. So if you want to learn how to do that, then please have a look at my video that I did on finding the grid on your iPhone. The link is in the description for that. If you want to learn more about the other composition rules, please let me know in the comments. Or check out my Principles of Composition mini course. This runs through 6 different composition rules for you. Again, the link for more information on that is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.